In this video, you'll learn how to start dropshipping on eBay, specifically designed for beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you will be equipped with the necessary steps to set up your eBay seller account, select products, and manage orders effectively. Begin by navigating to the eBay homepage. Once there, locate and click on the register button, usually found at the top left corner of the page. After clicking, you will be prompted to provide your information, such as your name, email address, and password. Complete this form accurately, as it is essential for your seller account. After registering, eBay will guide you through the identity verification process. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, which may include confirming your phone number or email. Once your identity is verified, proceed to link a payout method. This step is crucial as it allows you to receive payments for your sales. You can do this by selecting account settings from the drop-down menu under My eBay. Next, configure your shipping and return settings by clicking on shipping preferences found in the account settings. Setting these preferences properly ensures that your buyers are aware of shipping costs and return policies before making a purchase. Take time to read eBay's marketplace policies regarding drop shipping to understand the requirements and restrictions, which will help you avoid any issues later. The next step involves choosing products and suppliers. Start by researching products that have a consistent demand and manageable competition. Utilize eBay's search feature to analyze trending items. Once you identify potential products, select reliable suppliers who can ship quickly. Always confirm stock availability and estimated delivery times, as these factors will impact your fulfillment process. Calculate your profit margins after factoring in eBay fees and shipping costs. It is advisable to avoid fragile or high return items when starting, as they can complicate the dropshipping process. The choice of products is crucial because it directly influences your success in the dropshipping business. Now, you can proceed to list your items, create detailed listings that include accurate descriptions, high quality images, and realistic delivery times. When you receive an order, immediately purchase the item from your selected supplier. After the item is shipped, enter the tracking number in your eBay account to keep the buyer informed about the shipment status. Monitor order progress until delivery is completed and respond promptly to any buyer inquiries. This consistent fulfillment process will help you build a positive reputation on the platform. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.